Say hi, Emma.
Hey!
This is Emma. She's never been hiking before, properly. So she's going to be having a great time doing 30 kilometers tomorrow.
Yay!
Here we are at the start of the trail. Look at that bag, it's almost bigger than you.
Sure is.
I'm loaded up like a mule as well. It's all good. We got this. Oh, up, up, up. Alright, day 2, we're just leaving the hut. Ready to go?
I'm ready.
So, nice little place we stayed last night. Quite cute. And just a short 30 k's. Bye guys.
Bye.
Well done.
Is it on?
We made it.
Woohoo!
Different from yours, our ties are fading. We're no more wiser than one another, still both hearts are racing.
We just made 10 k's. Yes! Cup of tea time. So we've got about 6 k's to go down until we get to the estuary crossing. We made it to Skinner Point. Yeah. Walk, mush.
Ma.
And then it goes up again.
Oh, yep.
It does.
It's not too bad. Oh, yeah, it does actually.
Does it? Oh, for fuck's sakes. Right. We finally made the river crossing. Oh, I can see why you've got to get at the right tide. Look at it. Oh, yeah, it's cold. That's just a jump.
I don't like it.
Oh no. Whew. Them feet is freezing. Oh, ow. Shells and rocks. Beautiful. Just had some lunch and we're off. 4 hours and we made it. Why is this tree so black? How sore are your feet though?
Take them off.
Alright. Bark Bay. 5.8, 1 hour 45.
Here comes the sun. Last day. It's supposed to be pissing down with rain, but check this out.
Look at his socks.
Yeah. Look how stylish. Yeah. No.
Bungee jump.
Yeah, you can. Ready? 3, 2, 1, jump.
Oh, beautiful.
Wow. So we're like 18 k's for the day. We're just hiking out of the last little bit of the trail. And all I'm thinking about is a beer. See ya. Cheers. So that's 60 kilometers done.